Which instrument is used to measure the respiratory quotient? Answer: respirometer. Glaucoma is a disease of which organ? Answer: eyes. What is the membrane-like covering around the kidney called? Answer: peritoneum. What causes the accumulation of uric acid in the blood and joints in the form of crystals of sodium urate? Answer: gout. How is cartilage different from bone? Answer: cartilage is more flexible and lacks calcium phosphate, unlike bone. Which part of the human brain is the center for growth, memory, and reasoning? Answer: cerebrum. Which metal is present in insulin? Answer: zinc. Which glands in the human body are ductless? Answer: endocrine glands. In which form is energy stored in the liver and muscles? Answer: glycogen. During respiratory processes, which component of air remains unchanged in amount? Answer: nitrogen. When is the BCG vaccine administered to a newborn? Answer: immediately after birth. What is the union of two nerve cells called? Answer: synapse. What is the daily amount of urine excreted by a healthy adult human? Answer: about 1.5 liters. Which organ is affected by jaundice? Answer: liver. What component of blood absorbs oxygen during respiration? Answer: red blood cells, RBCs. Which enzyme digests fat, and by which organ is it secreted? Answer: lipase, secreted by the liver. Where is the control center for reflex actions located? Answer: spinal cord. Which diseases are spread by viruses? Answer: common cold and influenza. What is the function of arthroplasty in surgery? Answer: joint replacement. In aerobic respiration, how do muscle cells produce energy? Answer: by converting glucose to lactic acid. How many pairs of ribs are present in the human body? Answer: 12 pairs. What percentage of water is present in an adult human body? Answer: 65%. Which mineral is required for blood clotting? Answer: calcium. Which part of the body has the highest number of bones? Answer: hands. How many bones are present in the adult human body? Answer: 206. What is the chromosome pattern of females? Answer: 44 plus XX. Which hormone is referred to as the emergency hormone? Answer: adrenaline. What is the shape of red blood cells, RBCs? Answer: biconcave. Which metal is present in hemoglobin? Answer: iron. Which enzyme is required for blood clot formation? Answer: thrombin. What is the function of the pacemaker in the heart? Answer: to regulate heartbeats. Where are red blood cells, RBCs, produced? Answer: bone marrow.